I can't take it anymore. I don't know what else to do. I mean, a relationship has to be a little bit of give and take, and you're just not giving. You're so closed off, and you won't let me inside. I'll give you one more chance because I really want this to work. I really want you, but it's your last chance. Okay guys, it's time for some comment shout-outs. In response to Ban the McNugget, YouTubeosaurus says, we need a fresh fruit and vegetable fast food chain. The horror stories about McDonald's never end. Every time I eat it, I never feel good after a few minutes. They need a McDonald's commercial like the medicine commercials that want you to buy the product but give you dozens of health concerns to consider first, like heart attack, nausea, blindness, bleeding through the ears, liver damage, kidney failure, urge to commit murder, stupidity. Yeah, like that. That was just a great comment overall. On my blog, in response to Philip Tracy Hats, Your Hair Chic said, I would like to see Tamera design a hat to wear in her next YouTube video. I happen to love that idea. It may not be my next one, but definitely stay tuned. On my YouTube channel, in response to Pushy Salespeople, Established says, oh my god, I love your accent. Well, thank you. I'm oot and a boot in Canada, eh? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Keep those comments coming, and I will see you guys in a few days.